Good morning guys! Welcome back to the vlog. Today is December 18. It's currently 10:46 a.m. I've already dropped off my son sa school niya kaninang 9 and I already had my coffee. My voice is a little bit weird. I was actually off sick last week because I had a flu or maybe COVID. I don't know. Or a combination. As in, super sakit ng katawan ko last week. My Tuesday shift, I had to go home a bit early because my husband texted me na he really wasn't feeling well and my son was not feeling well as well. And then nung gabi na yon, Tuesday night, that's when my symptoms also started. We had a few Christmas party. One for a Filipino NICU family. I uploaded that vlog. And another Christmas party was for the unit Christmas party, yung NICU, the whole NICU family, which I wanted to attend, pero syempre nagkasakit ako, so I missed that. Last Christmas party was yung here in our community, Filipino community around the place where we live. Thankfully, that one, I was able to make it, pero syempre I was not 100%. So much for that. So today, I was like planning to go out and buy something to eat sa Filipino store because of this flu going on, which is quite common during winter season. Hindi ako lumalabas, guys. Dito lang ako sa bahay. I only go out to drop off my son sa school and to pick him up. But other than that, wala, hindi talaga ako lumalabas. So yesterday, I ordered grocery from Sainsbury pero tomorrow pa yung darating. For today, kailangan namin ng something maluluto because in the past few days, kasi nga everyone's been unwell, nag-order lang kami and sobrang mahal. Like, one order is around 30 pounds. This is not good for our budget. So today, I'm planning to go to the Filipino store to buy some food na mabilis lang maluto. And also, para lang din maka-experience ako ng outside world for a little bit of time. Mag-prep lang ako, guys. I'm just gonna wash my face, do my skincare. And I'm done washing my face. So, magto-toner lang ako. By the way, paubos na yung toner ko. So, I'm actually thinking of buying a new toner. I have another toner from Numbuzin, which is more of the brightening toner. This one I usually use this during the night. So kapag daytime, ito ang ginagamit ko. Very nice. By the way, if you have sensitive skin like me, during the winter season, sobrang nag-dry yung skin ko. Bear in mind, oily ako, like combination skin. So far, my skin is okay with this toner. Hydrates my skin. So, I like yung mga hydrating toner. Then this one has NAD and PDRN, which is like the famous ingredient right now for Korean skincare because it's like anti-aging and all that. I know na walang sun sa UK right now, but still, it's important to use your sunscreen. So, ito, my favorite from COSRX. Invisible sunscreen. Invisible talaga siya, guys. Like, I'll show you. Hindi mo siya makikita because it blends right in. See? Nakakatamad mag-makeup, so I don't know if I have time to put on my makeup. Sige na nga, mag-makeup na lang ako kasi later susunduin ko din yung anak ko. So, lately, I've been looking haggard kasi nga may sakit ako. So, itry muna nating i-mask ang ating nararamdaman. Char! You already know, I like using tinted sunscreen. If you're sick during winter season, what works for you guys? Kasi I find that the only medication that works fast for me is yung night nurse nila. Wala akong stock ng BioFlu. But I find that that's the only medicine na parang nakaka-help ng aking flu. In a way, nakakatulog ako ng maayos sa gabi. Kasi the only thing I dread about having flu is I cannot sleep. Kasi constantly umuubo lang ako sa gabi. So, it sort of helps with that. Tingnan niyo ang ginawa ng anak ko. This is what he did. I accidentally left it sa table. And then, eto guys, ang ginawa niya. Anyways, it's fine. At least may natira pa, hindi niya inubos. Ito galing sa Pilipinas to, nung umuwi kami last year. I really hope na maging okay na ako for Sunday. Kasi, namiss ko na ang Nico. Char. Ayokong palagi lang ako nasa bahay. Okay, we're done. I'm just gonna prepare and then alis na tayo. Hi! I'm ready to go. I'm just gonna bring our grocery trolley para hindi ako mahirapan kasi I don't wanna walk and then may binibit pa na mabigat. So let me just get the trolley. Ta-da! If you live in London or in the UK, this is a must-have. Dapat may grocery trolley ka para hindi ka mahirapan sa buhay kapag nag-grocery. We are ready! Let's go! Umuulan and I'm too lazy to go back and get my umbrella. Ba yan? Typical London weather. You always have to bring your umbrella. Pero, I don't know where my umbrella is. Probably sa work bag. Anyways, bilisan na lang natin. Ayan, napag-bloom. Lapit na tayo. It's over there. So, ginisa mix. Wrapper sa bahay. So, it's fine. Some sardines. With loaf. Beef loaf. Corned beef. This one. Actually, I also want to buy a Spanish sardines. Yeah, Spanish sardines. Some noodles. I'm back! Grabe! Napagod ako dun, guys. Oh my God. Wait. So, nung pauwi na ako, lumakas yung ulan. Nung dumating na ako sa bahay, sa building namin, hindi gumana yung lift. So, nag-stairs pa ako from the ground floor to the third floor. I'm so tired. Okay, wait lang. Ayan guys, hello, we're back at home. Sobrang bilis ko lang dun kasi I was worried na baka sobrang lumakas pa yung ulan and then wala akong payong. Got the receipt here and let's see kung magkano total na gastos natin. Asan na yung resibo? Maybe it's in my bag. Wait. Hindi ko alam saan ko nalagay yung resibo pero I still have it on my phone kasi I paid contactless. So it's total of 38 pounds and 22 pence. So ang mga nabili ko, nakita niyo naman, mostly dilata kasi alam mo na, yun ang mabilis i-prepare. Mili din ako nitong siomai. This is my favorite. Steam mo lang siya ng 10 to 12 minutes. And then, if you have the chili oil, lagyan mo ng lemon and soy sauce. And then, you're good to go. Then, bumili din ako ng longganisa. Kasi every now and then, namamiss ko yung longganisa, tocino. So, they have that sa Filipino store. They also have tender juicy, yung totoong tender juicy hotdog. Pero next week bibili ako kasi nagdadalawang isip ako sa price niya. Syempre mahal kasi it's from the Philippines. So maybe next week. I did not buy yung pang fruit salad kasi I was thinking since off naman ako sa 24, we can buy it on the 24th kasi off din yung husband ko. So we can go there together. So ito na muna, lagay ko lang to sa freezer. Lumakas talaga ang ulan, guys. Since may lumpia wrapper ako sa freezer, I'm thinking of also cooking lumpia sa Noche Buena. Kasi at least, darating na yung grocery tomorrow. So, nag-order ako ng minced pork, carrots, potato, para magawa ko yung lumpia ko. Pili ako ng malaking Mang Tomas kasi ubos na yung Mang Tomas namin. dilata na binili ko is yung usual. Andito pala yung receipt. So, kung curious lang kayo, ang mega sardines dito na dalawa is 1.69 pounds. So, ganun po ang difference ng presyo kapag bumibili kayo sa Pilipinas at dito. Kasi nga, galing siya sa Pilipinas. So, of course, mahal siya. And then, Argentina beef loaf. Kasi namiss kong kumain ng beef loaf. And then, ito ang kakainin ko, like, literally now. Spanish sardines kasi na-miss ko yung Spanish sardines. Meron pa akong natitirang udong dito. Ayan, doon ko din to nabili last time. So, I'm thinking maybe ito ang lulutuin ko mamaya kasi sardinas lang naman ang ingredients nito. Additional na mga canned goods is itong century tuna in afritada style sauce. It's good to have like, alam mo yun, like emergency food lang. And then caldereta. So, ito masarap. And this is for the adobo, kung magluluto ng adobo. Akong sinigang mix kasi when it's raining at saka kapag may sipon or may sakit ka gusto mo ng warm soup. So, maybe tomorrow kapag dumating na yung grocery namin, I will cook sinigang. Chipi tsaka piatos kasi, you know, every now and then parang namamiss mo yung lasa neto. Meron pa palang isang dilata, yung corned beef. Ayan, masarap yan. Last but not the least, etong Lucky Me beef noodles. Siyempre, favorite natin yan. Gusto mo nang madali ang sabaw? This is it. At least, nakapag-grocery tayo konti today para lang meron tayong emergency food. Balik na natin to sa lalagyan and then I'm going to eat lunch na kasi it's already 12. Eto na muna. Let's heat it up first. Excited na akong kainin to. So, malamig na tubig. Guys, kain na tayo. Let's eat. Let's go to the living room. Maghanap tayo ng mapapanood. By the way, ayan na yung Christmas tree namin, diba? Sobrang kalat ng bahay kasi alam niyo naman, kapag may toddler, maganda yung dynamite kiss, but at the same time, parang napagod akong maghintay kung kailan niya malalaman na hindi talaga married yung girl. Pero anyways, maganda naman siya. Ako lang ba, pero like part ng pagkain mo is like, kung merong magandang show, papanoorin. Napanood ko na to dati, Incurable Case of Love. Japanese siya. Pero, sige, dahil good vibe siya, panoorin ko na lang ulit. It's almost 3:30, so pick upin ko muna si Light from school. What's inside?
Paw Patrol.
Let's see. Wow! Who is this from?
Teacher Michael.
Wow! Look at that!
Paw Patrol.
It's a Paw Patrol walkie-talkie. Wow! What's that? Who's this? It's Stitch.
It's not Chase.
It's not Chase, it's Stitch. You want to open it?
Yes.